Hi, Assalamualaikum you guys. As you know, today is our presentation day. So we would like to share with you guys on the topic solution to the climate crisis. First of all, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Syakira Zahara Binti Aziz. My matric number is 201245, and then this is my partner.
Hi everyone, my name is Bascilica Wong and my metric number is 203974.
Alright, we go through to the topic. The main topic for today is solution to the climate crisis. We are here to share with you guys the good news that there are ways to reduce global warming, but we will go further on how to react to climate change, what the best solution to consider, especially we as a student in the agriculture sector. This is the preview to you guys that how is our presentation going to be and what you guys will get from the presentation. Firstly, we are going to go for the introduction. What is the climate crisis and the solution? And for the point one is what is the powerful solution to the climate crisis and how it will point to what kind of practice that need to take action by the human being. And lastly, we're going to conclusion for our presentation on this topic. Okay, this is the introduction. The climate crisis is a term described for the global warming and the climate change. Global warming refer only to the Earth surface temperature. This is what we call global warming occur when carbon dioxide and other air pollution and greenhouse gas collect in the atmosphere. While the climate change include warming and the side effect of warming. This is the side effect of warming, which is the change in global temperature, soil precipitation, and wind pattern, the sea are rising and ocean acidification is increased. That we also can say that global warming is phenomena of the climate change. And this is the solution that we can know for the climate crisis. Firstly is the renewable energy and water efficiency, sustainable transporting, sustainable infrastructure, responsible consumption, and sustainable agriculture and forest management. We actually are going to focus on the sustainable agriculture and forest management on this topic. And then what is the powerful solution to the climate crisis and how it work in agriculture and forest management. Actually, a powerful solution in the climate crisis can be found in the soil. Soil is a living miracle narrated by Marshall Pollen. Actually, there are more organisms than there are humans on Earth. We rely on healthy soil for 95% of what we eat, yet we take it for granted. And then thousands of years of planting, deforestation, and erosion. When soil is damaged, it releases carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. And this has serious issue when there are too much carbon in the atmosphere. Because too much carbon in the atmosphere is causing the earth to be overheat. That excess carbon is also acidify our ocean and threatening the marine life. But there actually some good news for you guys. We know how to put back this carbon in the soil where it belongs. So this is the effect the human being activity and needs. So how the plant put back carbon to the soil? I know you guys know how it is. Let's think for a moment. I believe you guys familiar with the word. Yes, it photosynthesis. Plant capture carbon dioxide in their leaf and pump the carbon down through their roots to feed hungry microorganisms living in the soil. So, this is the proven way to put back carbon into the soil, which is practicing like keeping soil covered with plant, and then for the increasing crop diversity, composting, and carefully plant grazing. So we need to make sure the carbon is kept cycled as a solution to the climate crisis. Next, I will invite my partner to share with you guys on the point two.
Thank you, Kira. Now I'm going to take over the presentation on what kind of practices that we need to take action as the solution to the climate crisis. Actually, one of the way is through changing farming practices. This changing, practice can help to promote soil health. It can hold a lot more water and drain better, but it also can be part of the climate solution. Healthy soil can store more carbon, absorb water like a sponge before becoming saturated, making it more resilient in a drier and improve water quality by retaining more water, which reduces runoff from cropland. Healthy soil goes further in meeting the needs of a growing population and food population. Other than promoting soil health, by changing farming practices can also keep the keep agriculture green. Land management practices serve many benefits on the other climate front. Trees, shrubs, and other woody vegetation also can help to store carbon in their biomass and protect the soil from erosion. Actually, green agriculture is the application of the sustainable development principle to agriculture. Sustainable farming minimizes the use of pesticides that can harm the health of farmers and the consumer. There are some methods that can help to promote sustainable farming, which include crop rotation and diversity. Cover crops, no-till farming, integrated pest management, agroforestry, and renewable energy use. And also there are few benefits why we should keep agriculture green. That includes sustainable farming, which include environmental protection, public health, improvement economic and social equity. So there are few best ways to combat climate crisis, which including practicing sustainable agriculture, and like Kira mentioned just now, how to, like I mentioned just now, how to keep agriculture green, and also we can use, we can use the way to combat climate crisis through protecting the forest and replanting the deforestation area. And of course, most importantly, we should reduce fossil consumption and move to renewable sources as this, and switching to feed. Also, we have to switch to clean energy technology in agriculture sector. Scientists will continue how the soil carbon storage might help along the way. Before I end this presentation, I want to share this quote saying that nature doesn't need people, but people need nature by Edward Norton from International Nature Voice. So in conclusion, we found that the best way to combat climate change, including practicing sustainable agriculture, where it can help to promote soil health and keeping agriculture green, and also protect the forests and replanting deforestation area to put like carbon in the soil. We also need to encourage better use of natural resources. We should stop massive deforestation, and making agriculture greener and more efficient should also be a priority. We as humans have to appreciate what nature has given to us and don't take it for granted, or else one day we will regret in future, as it will be karma for what we have done to our nature today. And that's is the end of the presentation. These are the sources that we got, and thank you.